If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, Junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Junkyard here. Welcome to another episode of Junkyard Weekly here on the Junkyard server. We are over here at Zitamide's house. As you can see, he's got a lot of people over here doing some work. Once again, what's really cool about the server and the community here, everybody is doing their little part and making some farms. And that's one thing today we wanted to do. We wanted to go ahead and take a look at Zitamide's farm. As you can see, he's got a little creature walking around, but his farm, everybody, is massive. He is actually, and again, I'm flying around so you can see the massiveness of what he has done. Zitamide has built his own little mountain of fortress of everything. It's actually sort of cool. Watch this. We're gonna actually come up here. He's got Justin the horse, Zitamide's horse barn. For my horse and guest. There you go. Very cool. And then he has he's built this thing where he has bubbles under it, and it makes you go upward. So that's your up. And then you got it so you can go down. It's his like elevator system. Now this, come on, get down there. Now one thing you got to, you don't want to touch that. So you got to jump out real quick. So, but it's, I swear the technology that you guys build is incredible. So, with that, he also has complete farm system. You guys, look at his farm. He's got beets. He's got netherroot. He's got cows. He's got every color as far as sheep you can think of. He's got pumpkins, which it looks like they are harvesting the pumpkins right now. We got carbon harvesting. We got demand harvesting, and we got hey, Ellie's here. How you doing, Ellie? So Ellie is over here and doing their thing. And I got to put you on hold for a second. All right. Sorry, everybody. All right. So we are back. So Zitamide has a incredible house. He has also, as you can see, he's got stuff from the end. So once again on this server, you can get to the end and collect things. And he has learned how to color and make what do you call it? Colored concrete. And you could actually, he's got a helicopter here, so you could jump into his helicopter. I can't get in his helicopter. Anyway, so you get in his helicopter. He's got Betty the horse up here. And Zitamide actually really has learned a lot of being able how to use redstone and things like that. Ow, I'm standing in thorns. So he knows how to use a lot of the stuff in here. So as you can see, his house is all set up. He's got some other cool stuff down here. So, oh, I want to show you guys something. No, I cannot get down here. All right, there we go. All right, and look. Okay, so that's not what I want to show. Wait, this is what I want to show you. This is what he showed me. So one thing, when you go collect all the terracotta has different colors and when you cook them, they become something different. So you can make rugs or wall art or whatever have you. He has collected every single color of terracotta and made the corresponding piece once you cook it, what it comes up to. And then, is that credible? And then on top of this, he already showed me this. This is his chicken cooker. So the chickens, they actually breed in here. They multiply. They get shot into this thing, thus get popped down into this thing. And he's got a hopper system. And then they get cooked. And he gets chicken eggs or chickens and cooked. So you can actually do all kinds of stuff right there. So you open this up, and you get the chickens, and you can cook them. Is that awesome or what? So I would like to actually have one of these built in my house. Oh, did you see it? The lava came out, cooked the chicken, and it pulls down there. That was crazy. So the chicken, when the chicken gets big enough, so right now it shoots the baby chickens in here. When the chicken becomes old enough, it becomes an adult chicken. Because right there we have all baby chickens. So the adult chicken goes in here. And then what it does is it shoots the baby chicken. And then the lava comes up because I guess the dispenser or the disposer or whatever. Oh, look there. And then it cooks the chicken and it drops it down here. And thus you get cooked chicken. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Here, I'll put this fried chicken back. I don't need it. Okay, so anyway. So that is, and he's got a lot more stuff here, but let's digress. Let's go. So that is Zetamide. So if you guys have any questions or anything that you want to see that Zetamide may have, it's pretty cool. Let's fly around Spawn real quick and see what people have done over here. We got some buildings going up. It looks like we got some new plots getting cleaned up down here. We have, oh, look at this. We got a building over here, you guys. Look at this. I think this was put together by Division, I believe. I don't want to say it wrong, so let me double check. Yes, Division's Trading Post. Sorry, we're not open yet. Check back later. All right, we will check back later in another server update. But as you can see, we got other homes putting together. And again, if you are going to build next to Spawn, please do. But try to keep it in the Asian theme. That's what we're trying to do this time. A little bit more of an Asian, per se, type atmosphere. As you can see, we got other houses growing and getting put together here. So we got all kinds of cool stuff going on. So again, if you have not had an opportunity to get on the server, you guys get on the server. Again, the IP is play.junkyard.net. We have some other buildings going on right here. Looks like somebody's building a skyscraper, and they are utilizing the what the heck are you calling the bond? I am drawing a blank right now. They're using the scaffolding. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh, sometimes. What are they doing here? Check out the rooms upstairs. Let me know what you think. Squid Cookie, take the elevator on your left. All right, let's do that. All right, he's got the elevator going, just like we saw over there. All right, very cool. And we got a room this way. All right, let's take a look. Oh, look at this. Very nice. You got some switches so you can turn the lights on and off. Got a water spigot, which opens and closes that stuff. Looks like we have it looks like a, what do you call it? A dishwasher. Very cool. Got some room, big chairs. Those are some big chairs for some big butts. If anyone got a map of Spawn, can I have it? So he would like to get a map over here. Looks pretty cool. That's some of your choreography stuff. So he's building a house up here. Very cool. Good job, Squid. Like to see it. Like to see what you're doing. Very neat. Very nice. Very nice. Wow, he's got it all set up here. Elevators going up. Very cool. All right, let's go. Let's head back. Let's do this. Let's go to top. Let's go to the top of the roof. We can oh, we're good here. Oh, and so he's still building. So still building a massive building. All right, looks good. Looks good. We got some other buildings and some other areas going on over here. Slowly but surely, we are building the roadways around. So again, get on the server, you guys, at play.junkyard.net. Also, remember, if you get on here, like Carbon's on here, he's a patron. Thank the patrons for this, you guys. The patrons are the ones that are being able to keep this server up and going. We're going to be able to, right now, we got the funds put aside so we can have this going for the next few months, which I am excited about. And that's the biggest thing. The patrons, the way that Patreon works is the funds come through monthly. So it won't hit, you don't get dinged or anything for it for a month in, you know, and if you got $1 to put towards the server, do it. If you got $5, do it. If you got $10, do it. You know what it does is it helps keep the server going. And you know, you as a patron, if you're on the server, you know, there's not much. I haven't put any tier levels or anything together yet, you guys. Funky and I have been talking about different ideas, and if you got some ideas, let us know. Get on Discord and talk to us on the server, and we'll go ahead and have some idea. We'll listen to your ideas of whatever you guys want to do. let us know what you think would be a good tier levels for the patrons. Again, go on our Discord, go on our Patreon, and we appreciate it a lot. So anyhow, this is again just the roads here. You could build into any of these. Some of this area is spawn protected, but a lot of this stuff is not. Like this is an area that needs the roads come up here, and gosh, we're at the point here where we could actually, literally build a. You know what? I think I'm gonna probably build a big old bridge this way, and bridge it over to this area here. And is this water right here? It is water. So we got water. Whoa! What is that? We got some mushrooms. So I'll have to look during the day. I can't really see anything right now because it's dark time. But we'll build some things. You guys got to go to bed. If there's anybody, go to bed. You need 2 more to go to sleep. Jack Jaws is in bed. And, I mean, it looks good at night. Don't get me wrong. Thank you very much. They're listening. I appreciate that. All right. So we got my junkyard thing here. It looks like we got some more things here. We've seen all this, you guys. The railroads that people are putting together are coming along. So get onto the server. If there's something that you haven't seen that you like to see, let me know. Fortunately, I gotta head on out. I got some work to do. I gotta head to the store, and I got to, I gotta get a new monitor. My monitor that I have set up here is on the frick. So I gotta get a new monitor, which is such a bummer. I wasn't expecting that in the budget this week, but keep this stuff going. We got to do what we got to do. So let me do this. Let me turn this around and get some things going here. Hey guys, thanks for coming along. You guys are awesome. I am having so much fun getting on the bandwagon of doing this Minecraft stuff, my regular videos that I do on my Fridays, and then my survival video. That's fun too. So make sure you stick along for the ride. This is Junkyard. Thanks for watching. Remember, thumbs up, hit that Patreon button, hit that Discord button, and get on Discord with us, and be involved in the server. Get involved with the friends. Get involved with all the fun. This is Junkyard. Thanks for watching, everybody. Needless to say, keep gaming.